How to find square root of 2916 by long division method. First, make pair from right hand side to left hand side. This is your first pair and this is your second pair. So work on this second pair first. Take here a number whose square will be equal to 29 or nearest to 29. If you take here look 5, then 5 square will be 25. If you take here 6 square equal to 36, which is greater than 29. So 5 is correct. Same digit will come to quotient, then multiply 5 times 5, 25. Subtract, you are getting 4. Bring down the next pair. Same, you have placed the digit 5, so same digit will come under this divisor. You need to add 5 plus 5, 10. Now you have to take here a number, and this digit will come to here, and you need to multiply. And the product, this time this product will be equal to this or nearest to this. If you take here look 4, then what will happen? 4 times 4, 16. Write 6. Carry 1 to the next column. 4 times 0, 0 plus 1, 1. 4 times 1, 4. 416. That is, which is equal to this. So our guessing number 4 is correct. 4 times 104, that gives you us 416. Subtract, as our remainder is 0, we are done. Our answer is 54. To check this answer, we have placed the digit 4, so same digit will come under the divisor and add 4 plus 4, 8, 0, 1. The double of 54 is 108. So our answer is correct. So the square root of 2916 by long division method is 54.